It started quietly, just a footnote and an update log. But by mid-July 2025, the ripples had turned into a wave. Creators across the platform felt it. YouTube wasn't playing nice with mass-produced content anymore. For years, the site had been flooded with cookie-cutter videos, robotic voices, reading Reddit posts, listicles with the same 10 facts, AI-generated talking heads, repeating recycled opinions all stitched over generic stock footage. They had become a formula, quick to make, easy to scale, and until now, still profitable. But everything shifted on July 15. YouTube rolled out what it called a clarification, but to many creators, it felt more like a crackdown. The partner program creators' gateway to earning through ads came with sharper teeth. The message was direct. If your content is repetitive, inauthentic, or mass-produced with no real transformation, you're out. For creators who relied on AI tools, anxiety buzzed like static in the air. Would their channels survive? But YouTube didn't ban AI. In fact, it encouraged creativity if you added value. If your voice, your insight, or your storytelling made it yours. It wasn't about the tool, but how you used it. Channels built on templated formats, endless top 10 lists, recycled clips, voiceovers with zero editing were the first to feel the blow. Monetization vanished. In some cases, entire channels were booted from the partner program. YouTube wanted something it hadn't loudly demanded in a while: originality. And that wasn't the only change. Behind the curtain, another shift unfolded. The age of the trending tab was over. Instead, new, category-specific charts emerged: music, gaming, entertainment, giving viewers a clearer view of what was surging in each space. And in YouTube Studio, a new inspiration tab began feeding creators insight into rising topics, with a hype feature allowing users to amplify fresh content early. Even live streaming rules saw an update. Starting July 22nd, anyone under 16 would need an adult present to stream. YouTube was drawing firmer lines not just around content, but responsibility. To the casual viewer, not much seemed different, but creators felt the pressure. Those riding on automated production pipelines had to either evolve or disappear. Channels that once churned dozens of videos a day were suddenly silent. Some pivoted, others vanished. And in the quiet that followed, one thing became clear. YouTube wasn't just fighting spam, it was trying to save creativity from being swallowed by the algorithm's appetite for repetition. The game hadn't ended, it changed.